Here are some useful YouTube tricks and properties. One is you can actually, with the right mouse button, at least if you're using a PC, go to loop and you can loop a video over and over again. The rest of the tricks and tips involve the keyboard. So one is the number keys are useful. So if I go and I hit 1, I'll be at the 10% part of the video. If let me stop this and go to 5, I'll be halfway. If I go to 8, I'm 80% there, and I can switch back to 3 if I want to. So that's for number keys. Keys J, K, and L are also pretty useful. So L will let you advance by 10 seconds. So that's L one time, L again, L again, L again. K will pause it, all right, or start. All right. And J, you can go backwards 10 seconds. And then if you want to start it, hit K.
So the filament on the left.
And I hit K again and pause it. I can hit L, go forward, hit L twice, 3 times, and I'm 30 seconds ahead. For finer control on the forward back, there are the arrow keys. So left arrow goes back 5 seconds in 5-second increments, and right arrow goes forward in 5-second increments. All right. So these are some useful keyboard tricks that I find very useful.